Hey guys, what is up? How you guys doing? Man, it looks like I'm about to get rained on actually. It seems like whenever I ride my motorcycle, a rain cloud pops out, which is kind of cool, I guess, because it's been really hot lately, and when those clouds come out, it cools down a bit. So I do appreciate that, Mother Nature. I think Mother Nature is rooting me on to, it's like, go, keep on riding your motorcycle. And I was like, okay, I'll do that, why not? But sorry I haven't been making any videos lately. I've been pretty busy working with my dad, doing construction. Right now we're building a deck and we're almost done with it. It looks pretty good actually. So after that's done, I'm not exactly sure what I'll be doing. But yeah, I haven't made any videos for a while, just because I've been busy. This weekend I am actually gonna go fishing with my dad. Actually, I'm leaving tomorrow, which is Thursday. I'm going to West Virginia to go fishing. Sorry, I got these allergies. And it will be fun. We're going Thursday, gonna be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Actually, we're gonna be coming home Monday, so. Oh man, I got some allergies. Achoo! Holy crap, did you guys see that? I hope I caught that on film, but that was freaky. Oh god! Jeez Louise, emojis, bogey. I think I'm catching cold or something, man. I don't know what's going on. Oh, jeez Louise, I've just been sneezing all day lately. I think I got allergies. I don't know. Maybe it's like concrete and stuff I got in my nostrils. I mean, I've been working. I've just been pouring concrete. I'm sorry, not pouring, but you know, mixing concrete and all the dust just gets in my nose. Oh boy. But anyway, it's good today to be out on the cruiser, boy. Just riding around in my big old Harley Davidson 2008 Harley Davidson FLTXCY2237C PQRT Electric Glide. Man, this thing is smooth as anything. Smoother than the baby's bottom. Speaking of bottoms, my bottom's burning up right now. Jeez Louise, this exhaust is killing my booty. You know, my left side of my booty cheeks all feel great, but my right side just feels hotter than anything. Boy oh boy. But I tell you what, I'll tell you what though, I'm not really too worried about my booty cheeks because my head is killing me. Got this crazy wind buffeting going on here. Man, this windscreen just forces all the air right into my helmet, and this is sounds just like my Harley actually. Nice and loud, and I'll tell you what, ain't nothing better than me riding on my Harley Davidson. This thing is so sweet. I'll tell you, this thing is so fast too, man. You dump the clutch in first gear, you just go and go and go. Man, sometimes I don't even like to get out of first gear. I just roll around town and hitting the throttles, brum brum brum, making sure everyone knows I'm present now. Oh boy, I think I'm gonna take a left here. When I say left, I mean right. That's just how we do it in here in America. Oh boy, just love that pure American sound. Woo, doggy. Man, the speed limit's 45, but I'm gonna be a rebel and go 51. Ah, what a beautiful day it is here to be out on a Harley. But I forgot. I feel sneeze coming on. Ah, God, holy crap! What is going on? Okay, I'm on my VFR now, which is, you know, completely normal, but I don't know what in the world Is my mind playing tricks on me? I swear to you, this is no video magic. I am not editing this in, you know, the post recording or whatever. Oh god, I'm like legitimately freaking out right now. My hands are shaking, not only because of my vibrating handlebars, but I am freaked out. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but as soon as I would sneeze, I would kind of like go into an alternate universe where I was riding this Harley Davidson. Why the hell would I ride a Harley Davidson? But oh god, I gotta sneeze. Oh, go! I'll tell you what, I've just been having some crazy sneezy bejesus over there. Anyways, I've been doing some thinking, right? Just me out here on the American roads. I just feel like the biggest old badass there can be. I think I'm gonna change my name. From now on, you guys can call me Toast. Oh wait, oh, that's already my name. I'm just so drunk right now, I don't know what I'm thinking. Anyways, like I was saying, you guys can call me Texas. Man, I am from Texas. Everything is bigger in Texas. I'm bigger than life right now. Me and my big old American machine, muscle man machine. I'm sitting right now on a 850-pound pure American muscle right here, guys. Ain't nobody can tell me different. This thing is just sweet. I like to get on this thing and take some long road trips, you hear? I got myself a big old top case, and I call this bike a full dresser. I got, you know, the big old saddlebags and the big thingy in the back. They're all hard case, you know. I had to pay like $5,000 extra for these genuine dishes. But you guys can call me Texas from now on. My name is Toast. Texas Toast to you, motherfucker. Boy, oh boy, it's great to be out here. I see all these other cruisers. I wave to them, they wave to me. I'm one of you guys now. Yahoo! Oh god. Oh my god. Oh, holy crap. Oh, that is just the weirdest thing in the world. Oh my god. Okay, I'm back on my bike again, which is sweet. Wow. I don't know why this keeps happening. I hope if I don't sneeze again. Oh god. Yeah, my throat's hurting too. I have no idea. I must have been trying some horrible accent or something. God. Holy crap, and that last time I sneezed, I actually jumped forward. Oh, a couple hundred feet, which is weird. Okay, now I'm a little bit more used to this now, me, the sneezing and jumping time zones and all this crap. I'm so confused right now. I don't know what to think. Oh, man. I tell you what, though. After riding that thing, I do not want a Harley Davidson. Oh, no siree, Bob. I sure do not. Oh god, I sneezed. Oh, great. It's getting really cold. It looks like it's about to storm. Look at those clouds. Man, today cannot get any more interesting. This is just crazy. It's just... Oh, wait a... Hold on. Ooh. Now this is more like it.